Hi friends, I want to show you my new LED cabinet sensor light. Okay, it is a light strip, really easy to use. You charge it with the included USB-C cable here. You have the on-off switch here, on, off, or auto. As you can see, it has some energy already. And you will install it. You put this on the cabinet where you want to put it, and this is a magnetic strip, so it will, you can take it away if you need to take it to charge or to put it somewhere else. Okay, as you can see. Okay, perfect. So let's install it and try it. This is aimed to turn on when it feels or senses movement. Okay, so that's what you need when you go to the kitchen and it's all dark. You move your hand and the light will come on. Okay, now we have installed our light strip here, as you can see, and this is a special place because it's a little bit dark, and this is where we work. When you put your hand like that, it will give you this kind of light. As you can see, you could work perfectly here. You can get it really easy because it's magnetically installed. There are the magnets. So this is a great way of having light where you need it, easily and very functional. Thank you.